Do you experience pain and stiffness from too much sitting? Lower back pain, tightness in the hips and pelvis? Many of us do. I want to share with you life-nourishing movement therapies that can directly address physical pain caused by too much sitting. My name is Lindsey Wei. I am a 24th generation lineage holder of the Pure Light sect of the Complete Reality School. I trained in a Taoist temple in the Wudang Mountains under Grand Master Li Xingde. I've been practicing Qigong, meditation, Tai Chi, and Kung Fu for over 20 years. I'd like to invite you to a free online event where you'll discover relief from the pain and stagnation caused by too much sitting. Over the course of the hour, I will teach you 4 simple movements that address the hips, lower back, SI joint, and knees. You will increase blood flow, circulate qi, while also releasing synovial fluid. Additionally, we will remove tension from the shoulders and neck caused by slouching while sitting. I truly hope to see you there.